Action.
So recorder not available for do it.
Action.
I know. But it looked like that I forgot happen when Quick gone over back.
When quick. Quick.
Rolling. Action.
Honestly, not really, you know. Oh shoot.
Something alright?
Action.
Me know you have no lie, alright.
Action.
What about your man? I'm concerned about her.
Action.
I don't want to do that. I
God have mercy upon us.
Action.
I'm not going to do that. Because my feel she not going to admit to me she gone back in her life. And she know how I feel about it.
Oh hell no!
I'm not going to do that. Bombard.
Sticky do that, do that, do that, do that, do that, do that, do that. See.
Action.
Alright, but I don't have to make it so and so.
So no. Like me a bother you?
Like you bother her.
Hey, look a girl, make this and go for that.
What is wrong with you?
Action.
So Mr. Bissett, where are David? Where are them panic ass?
Yeah, man.
A few moments later.
Action.
So Mr. Bissett, you know.
No. Nope. No, sir.
Action.
And the emergency room is at the K pager. So
What? Action.
Yeah, hope me can lock the wheel and please. You need about 5 dumpling there.
Wait.
Look man, just push it back. Alright.
And just lock it.
Get the curtain out. Man attacking our scene.
God have mercy upon us.
Action.
You know, come on again.
Jesus, my neighbor!
Action.
Shalan, obviously you don't understand.
Action.
It no matter. It no matter quick. She pregnant and her hormones them are range. You have to understand that.
A few minutes later.
Action.
It no matter. It no matter quick. She pregnant, I have to understand say her hormone them are range.
Hormones are range.
No. Nope. No, sir.
Action.
It no matter. Remember say she pregnant, her hormones them are range.
Range.
Oh God, what? So
Something alright, yeah?
Action.
well the truth is, she had do her job in her bubbles. Cause we're serious. We're serious.
Me a hear about that.
Action.
Cho. Let's start again.
The truth is.
The truth is.
Alright, ready? Action. Oh, Terry.
Okay.
Action.
So how she really deal with that though?
Well, she realized he had given up and she couldn't bear to see her husband in a wheelchair for the rest of his life.
that means I don't remember a line.
Jesus, my nerve!
Action.
And much more. The accident made them realize.
Action.
Oh.
Something alright?
Action.
Was that late, you know, from primary school to high school?
You know what you say? Happy.
Jesus, my nerve!
Action.
Yeah, man. Bring some people from overseas and come again. Me I look down and
Action.
nah, like still. The system feel a little bit lighter still. Oh shit, let's say it's still like.
Action.
So what my smell? Come again.
Action.
So what make my face light up when she pop? Well, bumbo.
12 seconds later.
Rolling. Action.
So what? So what make my face light up when she come round? At least she come with a good energy. For put a smile on my face. You come with a bad energy all the time. Miserable and your face crush up like bedspread. How I'm to you? The slow, Prinny, hear me a son, man. Me have a fin bumbo ass.
Sticky do that, do that, do that, do that, do that, do that, do that. Oh. See.
Action.
I'll be in the car if
Hey, what happened?
Fatality.